How's it growing? Dirt is dead to me. There's no life in it. Soil, on the other hand, is full of microbes.
In May 2020, I launched this garden channel to inspire and educate new gardeners to grow their own food using organic methods. And if you can deal with the challenges like what we have here in South Florida, you can grow just about anywhere.
And I'm gonna let you taste it.
I gave Cynthia Schaefer her own series, Urban Homestead, and together we bring two very different approaches to organic gardening. While I use very common organic pest control, her motto is, what does the forest do?
And let whatever needs to happen, happen. I lose plants sometimes, and that's okay because I'll either put the plant somewhere else or I'll try a different plant.
We have a lot of great content in the planning stages. If this sort of content appeals to you, we're asking for you to support what we're doing by subscribing to the channel. And maybe, as we grow together, we'll have a little fun along the way.
And fortunately in this one, my strongest papaya plant is a female. You grow, girl. CA and MCA. Why MCA? I just couldn't. Today we are in Stack Studios because the weather didn't cooperate.
And let's grow together.